What's up, everybody? It's your boy The Ghettoographer, aka Pastor Tech, back at you with another video, and that's another unboxing video that is. And today I finally got my hands on it, and I got my hands on something special to me, and that's the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. And again, that's the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. And before we get into the open, I just want to read off some of the specs from my cheat sheet because my memory is some trash. It has a 6.9 inch display, 3088 by 1440 pixels per inch. It comes with a 108 megapixel triple camera back setup. A trio of cameras in the back, and also has a 10 megapixel front-facing camera. It also has, this one is the 128 gigabyte version with also a micro SD card slot to bump it up another 128 if you have that size. And it is packing a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus with a whopping 12 gigabytes of RAM. 12 gigabytes of RAM. This is the Ultra. This is like the top of the line Android phone that you can get right at this moment. That could be debated by next week. There might be something better. But today we're going to give it a good unboxing, and we're going to be using today as the unboxing knife is the Terminator. Let's see if I can get it in focus. The Terminator unboxing knife. There it go. The Terminator. Let's get to unboxing right now. I can't be waiting for this. I had traded in my Note 10 Plus. There we go. Ah, look at that. All right, let's see what's in the box right now. Take it off. Got the box at the top of it as usual. Is there anything? Yes. Top of it, we have this. We have our SIM card, our SIM ejection tool in the back. It comes with some books and how we use it and everything. We're gonna put that to the side. Here we go. This is the bronze variant. What do they call it? I'm sorry, give me 1 second. The bronze, the Mystic Bronze. Sorry, the Mystic Bronze. Here we go. Here we go. The triple camera setup. That's how it look. Before we look at that, turn it on. We're gonna see what else is in the box. You get your SIM stuff in the box as well. We're gonna plug that and file that to the side. It comes with a USB-C to supercharge, super fast charging wall charger. And it comes with your tips for your no, it doesn't. I thought it comes with some tips for the Note, for the pen. I guess it doesn't come with no tips, but maybe they stopped doing that. No tips for the pen. Okay, that's it. There's nothing else in here. Let's take off the paper. Here it go. Here go the goodness of it right here. It also has the triple lens setup. I'm in the back. Let's go ahead and peel it off. Boo. This smells like quality. This smells like quality. Let's take off the front. Let's turn it on. There we go. Coming on. $5G. Can only make emergency calls, but hold up, let me put my information in it. and we'll give you a preview of how the screen and everything look. Please go get some coffee, go get some crackers, go take a little bathroom break, and I'll be back. Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm back, and I got my information in, and look how it looks. And it's buttery smooth. Let me see if I can get it to focus in. Buttery smooth, 120 hertz screen, buttery smooth. And just for size comparison, so you can know, this is the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Without this is not the Note, but this is the last year variant of the Galaxy Note 20. And see how it is. The Galaxy, I think the Galaxy Note is a little bit taller and a little bit wider. Both of them has the camera bump that's protruding, so it's about the same size, or a little taller, little wider than the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. But this has been my unboxing of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. And I'm gonna tell you, this is your boy, the Ghettoographer, coming back at you because I made a mistake on my Galaxy Note video Ultra 5G. I said it was $1,300. No, it's not. God, no, it's not. It's $1,300. You get a Snapdragon 865. You also get the 128 the 128 gigabyte variant, and they do have a 512 variant, but that costs more. So this is your boy, the Ghettoographer. I'm out. Thank you for tuning in. Hey, if you would, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I almost forgot. I got another thing to unbox. Woo. I'm glad I can insert this in there, but I also got with it the Defender Pro from OtterBox, the Defender Pro from OtterBox, and we're gonna do an unboxing of this right now as well. Still got my Terminator knife. We're gonna use that. We're gonna see if we can. Oop, there we go. It there. There we go. I got it. I got it. Here we go. All the papers and stuff. Didn't come with much. It's a paper. See, papers, and this is it right here. Got that triple protection. Let me take this off. It's trolling me. I got it. So here we go. Comes apart like this. Here go the belt clip. Here go the actual case. All right, let's put it on while we got everything in. You have to excuse me. I'm a little sweating because it's hot in my office. Sorry, so let me get dried off a little bit. But here we go. I got this. We're gonna open this right here. We want to get some protection on this. It's too much money not to be put in the case, so we put it in there like that. Make sure we got this right. Nope, it's upside down. Here we go. We got it. You see, you hear it snapping. There it goes in there. So that's how it looks when you put it on the first layer. So you can see that it's got the camera, you know, got a raise around the camera, so when you set it down, you won't scratch up your camera. It doesn't come with a front-facing screen protector though, but we're gonna see how long that lasts before I get one of those, and we're gonna put this on. Now, one thing about this, you have to make sure it goes around the edges like that. Make sure the buttons go in properly. Let's see if we can get this on. There we go. This is trolling me. Come on, let's get this on. This is actually kind of trolling me to get on. Here we go. We got it in there. So there it goes, and it's raised up in front, so you can put it down. Nothing to happen. So it's, you know, you can put it down, and it'll protect the face. The edges are raised up, and then the camera edges are raised up as well. See if I can get it in right there. So when you push it down on the table, Your camera lenses will not get scratched up. Unlike this for my Ultra, if you could see it, if I didn't have there's a screen protector that goes around the camera, my camera lens would be scratched up. And it does come with the Ultra came with a screen protector, but this didn't. Samsung kind of dinging you on that because it should have came with a screen protector. But this is your boy, the Ghettoographer. You know, did 2 unboxing in 1 video. Woo! That's the first. But unbox the OtterBox Defender Pro case. There we go. And then we're gonna also put this, so you can put it in here. Boom. You got that good protection. So again, this is your boy, the Ghettoographer. Like I said, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna come with more unboxings, and we're gonna also take some pictures and some video tests of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, because I am a photographer. I'm into the photography life. So this is your boy, the Ghettoographer, signing off again. You have a good day and see you later. Peace.